Hey everybody, Chris here with Crisscross Crafts. Yeah, today we're going to be doing another tool review. Today we're looking at the Saker tool 4-in-1 painter tool. This is a pretty neat little system. It's made up of these. It's designed for interior and exterior doors to be able to rotate and hit both sides if you're going to have to paint those things. Well, I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn it into a drying rack for my small shop. So you want to see how I do it? See how you can do it in your shop? Follow me along and we'll get it done. It looks like a dog bone. It's not. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Pop that open. Got some screws, which can come in handy. Got a little info card with some tips, tricks, and sort of info how to stack it. And then, of course, you get 4 of these bad boys. Go ahead and get rid of this little bag, get it out of the way before I trick myself with it. Anyway, out of the box, very durable, pretty solid. You can see they're sort of waffle shaped. One side is flat. This would be the side that would go rest against your part. The other side is got a recessed hole. You can see it's also got the corresponding nibs here and here. So when you go to stack your next part, you don't stack it incorrectly. It won't let you. So these will rest nicely on the corresponding piece, and you just keep building and stacking from there. So let's get to it, man. I'm ready to just paint some stuff and dry it. So I've cut up some scrap here, as you can see. So we're going to make, let's see, I'm going to make that one my base. Those 2 will make one. Those 2 will make one. And those 2 will make one. So there we go. So we're going to make up 4 of these. Let's see what I come up with. All right, well, there you go. This is the 4-in-1 painter accessory tool from Saker. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to make it work in my shop, being that it's intended use for those for big interior exterior doors. And you could double flip to be able to paint both sides. That is fantastic. But in my shop, don't really do much of that. But I did need something modular and versatile for when finishing time came that would work for me. Got the shelf here for doing small stock. I can store things there. Even added a plywood strip to make it on handle so I could move it around like a tray. Got these two stacked too high. Got strips of plywood instead of a shelf, and being able to spread them out further allowed me to store my molding safely while the paint dried. Well, no matter your need or how you plan to use them, the Saker 4-in-1 painter accessory tool is fantastic. You need it in your shop. Go ahead and buy 5, 10 sets. It doesn't matter. Big shop or small, even on the job site, these things, you'll love them. And at the end of the day, you tear them all down and store them away. You don't take up a bunch of real estate. That's my favorite thing about it. Well, anyway, this is Chris with Crisscross Crafts, and yep, we've been talking about the Saker Tool 4-in-1 painter accessory tool. Get yours today.